Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Cardano, seeing what's going on. We got an awesome update here. We got a break through this 0.786 level there, roughly a closure above 75 cents, and we haven't looked back since. So awesome stuff. Definitely looking a bit on the overextended side, so we're going to double check a few key factors in the back end, just kind of see if this is something that may pull back or just generally where we're at. But my guess is we have some liquidity left to sweep, which is very much the thing here. So shame on those who are trying to short these coins here that are looking very bullish. Now again, I'm not one to speak. I just took 2 short positions on some coins that I feel are very much confirming bearish behavior. But again, they're showing confirmation in every stretch of the word. These coins, specifically top 20, top 10, top 50, all looking very strong for the most part. There's obviously some exceptions, but we can see here, look at all these shorts getting demolished. 78 cents, 76 cents, 78, 78. Well, I guess that's more like 75 through 78, but either way you look at it, it's a pretty healthy amount of destruction there. Same thing as well too, you can see just in the bigger picture here, there's still some liquidity left to be swept, okay? So what do you know, late shorts, 79 to 80 cents, probably gonna be the next target. So I wouldn't be surprised. Again, a lot of folks think they have a lot of security putting a stop loss just above the most recent high, but as we know right now, the market is just sweeping those consistent levels, or sweeping those levels consistently, I should say. So awesome stuff there from Cardano. Let's go ahead and see what the charts tell us here, and if it's worth considering a short or a long, whatever you have it. So just to clarify, I'll draw this out on the charts too. This is a daily candlestick closure from recent, okay? If we close above that today, that does confirm mostly the bullish uptrend. Okay, now it's not a guarantee, that's not the only thing you use, but generally speaking, closing above the most recent high on a daily candlestick is a very important thing. Okay, that creates a strong support, essentially letting us know that we've broken through a previous trouble zone. We've got a MACD convergence. We can also see stochastic swinging up here, soon to converge. We're also confirming that we were below 70 in the RSI, but money flow index is higher. That's extremely bullish. We like to see that. Those are all positive contributing factors, okay? So MACD, FU, the whole 9 yards, everything is present here for the price to continue likely higher. I would speculate the price could pull back down to the 77-cent mark. That's a very common characteristic once you break through a recent high. But again, we technically haven't broken through a recent high on the 4-hour. 78.7 cents is that more recent level there. So just bear in mind, we're mostly in the clear, but we're not completely out of the woods yet. However, the daily looks very bullish. That's the summary. All right, taking a quick look here, of course, at stochastics, also swinging down. Or sorry, it's maxing out, potentially soon to swing down. But traditional RSI money flow index are just pacing perfectly. Okay, so I would say we have resistance coming up here shortly. Obviously, with the RSI being close to 70, but with the MACD converging here, everything looks like it wants to continue higher. We're literally only 5 candles into this continuation, which usually lasts 9 to 13 candles. Okay, so that's roughly what 36 to 48 hours of continuation we normally see, and we're only about 20 to 24 hours in. All right, so I think we're just getting started here with this little push. Makes perfect sense. Bitcoin dominance is pulling back too, by the way, in case you're not familiar, and that's a very helpful tool for altcoins to start to increase. Okay, so again, good stuff there in that sense. Other than that, too, we also want to look at the Ichimoku Cloud and the hourly and confirm we're green light, good to go. No reason to close your long position or take profits. What I would recommend, of course, because this market is very tumultuous, if Bitcoin does end up pulling back a little bit, we could see a spike down, so to speak. So I would recommend adjusting your stop loss higher as you're in profit. This is what profit looks like, folks. If you're not familiar with it, these are what profitable trades are supposed to look like. Okay, again, we're all using Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend utilizing them. They're really, really good. Use my link down below. You can qualify for some really awesome rewards. But they have trading competitions, really cool stuff. But we mainly use them because there's no KYC or VPN. The reason I'm showing this to you, though, is that these are what profits are supposed to look like, and this is what a stop loss looks like, right? It's okay to close your trades in the red if it passes your risk tolerance. Now, I wouldn't recommend 90%, but generally speaking, you can see the offset here, right? These are community traders. We've also got some nice profit here, 45% from AVAX ourselves, Litecoin 115, OGN 178, and then I liked this one the best, SCI 37% in 3 hours. Okay, awesome stuff. So be sure to check that out. Again, just kind of showing you that because these are the trades that we take, we structure them specifically so we take profit and we can walk away and not worry about it. Okay, if you're just jumping into Cardano right now, like I don't have a game plan in place, you're probably doing it wrong. Actually, you are doing it wrong. I can confidently say that because I tried that for years and it didn't work. Okay. finally buckled down, figured it out. That's why I offer a trading academy, community, and signals group. Okay, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. Watch my videos, watch them over again if it doesn't make sense. All right. Anyways, all right, that's all I got here so far. Good stuff though. Cardano looks very strong. I'm looking for a candlestick closure today about 77 cents or higher to confirm the likelihood of bullish continuation here. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't do anything disastrous, we should be in good shape here. Keep in mind, I think there are some minutes being released tomorrow, FOMC minutes or CPI rather. So just be mindful of that. That does factor in. I hope you had a good learning experience. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks again.